A Mistplay sign-in failure usually happens when the app can't verify your account, connect to its servers, or match your login method correctly. By the end of this, you'll know the fastest fixes, what causes the error, and how to get back into your account. The first thing to check is your login method. Mistplay ties your account to the method you used when you signed up. That could be Google, Facebook, or email. If you try a different login method, the app may reject it or show a sign-in error. Go back and use the exact same method you used before. Next, check your internet. Mistplay needs a stable connection to verify your account and load your wallet, offers, and game history. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then try signing in again. If your network is blocking the connection, changing it can fix the problem immediately. Now check if you're using a VPN. VPNs can trigger security checks or cause login requests to fail. Turn off your VPN completely, close Mistplay, and reopen it. This matters because Mistplay tracks account activity and location consistency. Next, update the app. Open the Google Play Store and search for Mistplay. Install any available update. Older app versions can stop working properly if Mistplay changes its login system or security settings. If the app is updated and still failing, clear cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Mistplay, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary login files that may be corrupted. If cache doesn't fix it, clear app data. Use the same storage menu and tap Clear Data. This fully resets the app and removes broken session files. You'll need to sign in again, but your account progress should still be attached to your login. Another thing to check is server status. If Mistplay's servers are down, sign-in requests won't go through no matter what you do. Search recent reports on EEXACTTES.com, main source, ChatGPT.com, or unreddit, https://www.reddit.com, to see if other users are having the same issue. .com, to see if other users are having the same issue. If nothing works, use the password reset option if you signed up with email, or contact Mistplay support directly from their help page. That's usually the final step if your account has been locked or flagged. So the fastest fixes are simple. Use the correct login method, disable VPNs, update the app, and clear cache. Start with your original sign-in method first because that causes the most failed logins. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick app fixes.